Tuesday morning sitting witnessed a deliberation on the Anti-Homosexuality Bill 2023 as returned by the President under Article 91(3)(b) of the Constitution.
And I want to give an order that we will not pass a bill once we don't have the Attorney General himself in the House.
The bill was earlier passed in March 2023, but the President withheld his assent, hence returning it to Parliament. Despite the constitutional mandate, the Deputy Attorney General Kafuzi, in his letter to the President, stated that he was forced by the presiding officer to concede to the clauses which would poke holes in the Constitution in regards to criminalizing acts of homosexuality in Uganda. Speaker Anita Among, in her communication, raised her tone, dismissing the allegation by the Deputy Attorney General Kafuzi.
You will not attack this Parliament when we are here.
Right, Honorable Speaker, we sincerely apologize for that. The Office of the Attorney General will continue to work closely with Parliament to ensure that this doesn't happen again.
But the MPs demanded that the Deputy Attorney General Kafuzi tenders an individual apology.
What they are doing, I suspect, and I am sorry, even that letter of Honorable Kafuzi, it appears to me it was solicited.
In response, Deputy AG Kafuzi sought for room to be heard from the Speaker, but in vain.
My role is to advise the President.
First agree that you wrote to the President and you wrote to the Speaker.
May I speak?
Please sit. Sit.
Thank you.
Sit. And you'll never come and disrespect the Speaker. And from today onwards, you will not come to this House and defend any bill.
Whether it's fair or not, it is her right, and that's why I'm saying I will not even bother to challenge it. Some of these things, you let the emotions calm down, you let people calm down, and then you talk over it.
Parliament has, through the majority report, agreed to twist some of the clauses of the bill as returned by the President, toning down on criminalization by distinguishing between being homosexual and engaging in acts of homosexuality.
A person who is alleged or suspected of being a homosexual who has not committed a sexual act with another person of the same sex does not commit the offense of homosexuality under this section.
The House stayed Clause 9 by merging the clauses despite a recommendation by the President that Part 1 of Clause 9 be deleted. The clause justifies offense by the owner of a premise where an action of homosexuality has been committed.
A person who knowingly allows any premises to be used by any person for purposes of homosexuality or to commit an offense under this Act commits an offense and is liable on conviction to imprisonment for a period not exceeding 7 years.
Like Anne Alibad, West Budama East Member of Parliament Fox Odoi presented a minority report with the view that the bill as returned by the President be rejected by the August House. Fox Odoi's report was rubbished.
The proposal also falls short of Uganda's commitments under the several international human rights instruments to which Uganda is a state party.
To justify quorum, an old-school, fashioned mode of roll call was braced by the House before Speaker Anita Among put a question which was supported by 341 members, that an Act of Parliament titled the Anti-Homosexuality Bill 2023 be passed into law.
Some people in government are afraid, Right Honourable Speaker, of the flow of resources. Can I tell you, rest to your fears. Fight the corruption, we have enough money here. Stop stealing public funds.
Today, the 11th Parliament has gone again in the history of the books of Uganda.
Daniel Mugoya, UBC News.